Hi, welcome to my video. I am Jane and today I'm here to talk to you about Zeneara. This brand new and amazing supplement is helping a lot of people around the world to completely transform their health. And if you are here, it's because you want to know if it really works or not, right? And do you want to know why some people they are losing money buying Zeneara? So if you really want to know all the truth, you should stay tuned with me until the very end of this video. And well, there is only one safe place on the internet where you can purchase Zeneara and have amazing results and have its all benefits and get the original deal, right? And why am I telling you this? Because I saw a lot of people on the internet complaining that they bought Zeneara and they didn't receive the product or they didn't have results, they fell for a fake product, and you must be really careful, okay? Forget about random marketplaces on the internet. Only on the official website you have the original deal. Down below in this video I am leaving for you the link to the official website, okay? And well, as I told you, Zeneara is a brand new supplement in the market for you to improve your hearing loss symptoms. So if you have that annoying tinnitus in your ears, if it's really hard for you to listen to someone clearly that is talking close to you, if it's really hard for you to focus in a task you need to do, you have lack of attention, you have hearing loss symptoms. So if you really want to reverse this condition or even improve this condition or prevent this condition, hearing loss, you should try Zeneara. Zeneara is made of all natural ingredients to completely help you to improve this condition. These natural ingredients, they are vitamins, minerals that will help your well-being in general and improve the symptoms. Zeneara is a natural formula and it's scientifically proven to work. Zeneara is a result of many years studying. Scientists they discovered this powerful formula to completely reverse the symptoms and help you to improve the quality of your life. So something I also like about Zeneara is that you have a money back guarantee. You have Zeneara is FDA approved, no GMO, no haptoforming. So it's 100% safe and natural for you. Completely natural. It doesn't matter how old you are or if you are taking another medication. Zeneara is really safe for you. Okay. And I need to tell you that Zeneara is a natural treatment, so you must be patient with yourself, with your results. You are gonna see the results in the first weeks, but the best results they come with months, okay? So take it every single day to see the results and guarantee that you have the best benefits ever. I really recommend you to try Zeneara if you are really struggling with hearing loss symptoms, okay? Down below in this video, you have the link to the official website. Go there to check for more information. Thanks for watching my video and I see you next time. Bye!